empty apartment tour. Whoa, whoa. Alright, hey guys, it's iGloriaaa back with another video. Actually, let me do this in the living room. Yeah, hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, hey guys, it's iGloriaaa back with another video. And in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an apartment tour. Woo! So I'm actually showing you guys the space I'll be living in. Bigger things. You guys are not gonna be my roommates just yet. They're not here today, but when they do come, y'all gonna meet them because they're hella lit. And yeah, this is the oasis. So let's get inside. Ooh. There's a lot of boxes everywhere, but this is the place. I'm gonna show y'all just some parts. What it do? Whoa, whoa, I get it. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. So we have this little patio. Get the little patio. It's the outside. And this is the patio. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. You already know. Okay, so the lighting in here, superb. Cause the lighting, literally, this place is not furnished whatsoever. So I wanted to show you guys empty apartment tour. All right, so these are the lights in the kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all tabletop. Okay, so dishwasher, sink, stove, oven, the fridge, and then the little cabinets here. I'm gonna take y'all to the bathroom where Favor is currently. Favor, say hi. Hi. Hey. All right, so we're in the bathroom. Whoa, whoa. Okay, it's the bathroom. So shit lighting. You know the vibes, spoopy. That's the bathroom. Y'all are gonna see all the rooms just because of privacy. Understand what I mean? I'm gonna take y'all to my room. This is my room. I haven't decorated it yet. It's completely empty. This is just stuff from my old apartment that is here. The room is quite small, but I've been doing a lot of research. I'm actually kind of a minimalist. I'm a minimalist that likes color, so let's put it like that. And this is the outside. Let's test the lighting, guys. Let's test the lighting already. Let's test the lighting. Hey guys, it's iGloriaaa. Oh, I like the COVID tins. Whoa. Yeah. Background things. And let me take this off so the lighting can capture. This is so good. Oh my god, it's crazy. Okay. If y'all catch videos here, like right here, don't say a word. I might be like, let me sit right here. I might be like, hey guys, it's iGloriaaa, back with another video. Alright. Alright. So closet space here. And then we got our washer and dryer. This is a nice place. Yeah. So this is my apartment. Y'all are gonna be my roommates soon. Alright guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me in this journey that we're on together. Y'all know my channel is all about the journey. So that's what we're doing here. But yeah guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.